Hi, I'm Dr. Lisa Thompson of drlisamthompson.com, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 key takeaways that I learned in taking a 14-day marketing challenge with top network marketing professional Ray Higdon. In this 14-day challenge, Ray was teaching us how to use Facebook Lives to get more people reaching out to us wanting to know more about our product, service, and business opportunity. So here are 3 key takeaways that I learned. Key takeaway number 1 is before you go live, you want to go in and interact with at least 20 to 30 people on your Facebook news feed, because what that does is that's going to get people wanting to know more about your live. So when you're interacting with people before you go live, you want to make sure that it's not just liking a post. You want to be commenting on the posts that you're seeing in your Facebook newsfeed or in the Facebook stories. And so you want to put things, you can use little GIFs, you could do the emojis, but put something there that's short, fun, meaningful, and relevant to the post. And then what that does is that people are going to, they're going to want to interact with you so that when you go live, they're going to want to jump in and see what you're talking about. So that's tip number 1. Interact with 20 to 30 people prior to going live, and you'll get more people watching your live stream. Tip number 2 is be concise. You don't want to sit and ramble on about unrelated topics. You want to give people what they're looking for, which is solving a problem. So if you're talking about weight loss, you may want to share, 3 tips to, 3 types of snacks to eat that won't make you feel hungry throughout the day, okay? Or you could say, 3 tips to having great looking hair, okay? Or 3 types of exercises that are easy to do when you're really busy, okay? So those are just some examples of doing that. You want to be respectful of your watcher's time, okay? And when you keep it short, concise, and to the point, people are going to love that. But also during your live, you want to make sure that you are engaging with people who are hopping on and they're saying hi. You want to make sure to acknowledge them and, say hi back, kind of start up a conversation. Make those Facebook Lives engaging as possible. So number 1, you want to make sure you're interacting with 20 people before you begin your Facebook Live. Number 2, you want to be concise. And then number 3, you want to make sure that you have a call to action at the end of your video. Now, the call to action shouldn't be as much as getting people to join or getting people to buy. Ray said that's where most people tend to have difficulty with the call to action. So what he says to do, and I think this is so smart because I wound up getting more leads just doing this trick as well, is you just say, hey, if you want more tips on how to lose weight, just send me a Facebook private message, and I've got 5 additional tips that I can share with you. Okay? You don't want to sit there and give away the farm, give away a link, but have them reach out to you. Now, when they reach out to you that way, what you want to say then is he has what's called a delayed CTA, or a delayed call to action, where you will say, hey, thanks for reaching out. I will get that, guide or that video to you when I get to my laptop. But by the way, are you using any type, what type of weight loss plan are you doing right now? Or what are you doing to lose weight? Or what type of supplements are you, just curious, are you taking any type of supplements right now to help you lose weight? Starting those conversations. So what Ray says is, and this is so liberating, is that when you do this type of strategy, what it does is you're seeking conversations. You want to have the conversation going because people do business with those who they know, like, and trust. So if you're not hitting them, excuse me, with the with the sales pitch right away, and you're finding out what their problems are, and you're setting up these avenues of conversations, they're eventually going to lead to those conversions where you're never ever going to run out of people to talk to. Okay, so let's do a quick recap. Number one, reach out to 20 to 30 people before you start your Facebook Live. Number two, be concise. Respect their time. If you're only giving 3 tips, stick to those 3 tips and engage with your audience as your live is going on. And then number 3, have a call to action where you want them, and make sure you tell them what you want them to do, is to reach out to you by sending you a private message on Facebook where you're going to give them more information from that video, whether it was to lose weight, whether it was to show them more exercise tips, whatever that was, whatever the topic was of that video. And then do that delayed CTA where you would say you're going to get them that info when you get to your desktop or laptop, but then ask them what they're doing already, if they're losing weight, or what are they doing to save money on travel, or whatever it is that would open up the conversation to see if they're open to looking at your product, service, or business opportunity. Did you find this helpful today? If you did, leave a comment and share. And if you want to get more tips and strategies of how to grow your business, subscribe to my newsletter. You'll see this link in the video description as well in the comments section. Click on that and just give me your best email address, because I create content on almost a daily basis and I don't want you to miss a thing. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.